Racing now, Jupiter Thunder, Jam Squeak moving up, a toy for us showing speed. Exciting is also their executive order joining them, then followed by Angie Redda, while Janie Cole is running in the tail of the field. Out straight they travel, a toy for us moving up. Exciting around the outside now, executive order. Watching them now in 40s Jupiter Thunder, 4 lengths back to Angie Redda. While Janie Cole still running in the tail of the field, down the half mile they travel. Executive order in command by Hafalenka, followed by Exciting. Here comes Jupiter Thunder. 2 lengths back now to a toy for Angie Red. Moving in on the outside, taking the 4th spot. And inside the last 600, executive order. Exciting. Jupiter Thunder now from the outside. As they hit the last 300, executive order hanging on with a half-length lead, followed by Jupiter Thunder. It's still executive order, Jupiter Thunder on the outside. Exciting. That's still executive order, leads by some 3 lengths now over Jupiter Thunder. Exciting in third, and finally executive order. Jupiter Thunder, Exciting, Angie Red, Janie Cole, and A Toy for Us comes in last.
All right, so it was executive order with Ronald C. Baldonido, ang ating unofficial winner for race number 7.